basically what I'm going to be doing. These are just common man how to make a knife. I mean, this is not going out buying tool steel. It's not going out and buying $10,000 worth. I don't even know how much it would cost. It's not going out and buying a ton of stuff. It's just basically making a knife, and that's it. How you can do it, if you needed a knife to get out in the woods, do what you wanted to do, that's basically all this is. It's not anything that's going to have fancy cuts, dyes, or whatever. And it's not made with anything other than what you can actually purchase. Everything to make this knife right here can be built, with the exception of maybe the sander belt sander that I use. But you can use a regular wheel grinder if you wanted to. Takes a little more time, a little rougher on the edge, but that's about it. So in a minute we're going to get over here and get started on this. It's got some good weight to it, almost like an axe weight. So we'll see where we're at, and we'll get back to you in a minute.
I'll just be over here. But how does this work?
Alright, here I go. I'm going to start putting this thing in there. I'm going to try something different with this. There's some coal in there. I'm just using these here to kind of help hold it up. This is a larger knife than I normally do, so it's going to be a little harder for me to get it all at once in there.
Hello?
So,
Hello, Daddy. Is that going to be hard with me helping?
it probably won't be.
Because oh!
So let's see where we're at here in a minute. Alright, that's after it's been annealed, which basically means I've heated it up and made the metal soft, where I can make it more easy to put an edge that I want to. Right now I'm going to clean it up so I can see where I'm at when I'm making all my cuts and stuff. So same process as I did before, just running it across this old belt sander. I'm using a wooden one because I don't feel like changing it out, and it'll do just fine. See, it's starting to clean up. When I get done cleaning it up, I'll be back. Alright, that's after it's been annealed, which basically means I've heated it up and made the metal soft, where I can make it more easy to put an edge that I want to. Right now I'm going to clean it up so I can see where I'm at when I'm making all my cuts and stuff. So same process as I did before, just running it across this old belt sander. I'm using a wooden one because I don't feel like changing it out, and it'll do just fine. See, it's starting to clean up. When I get done cleaning it up, I'll be back. This is the first time I've ever done it this way, and I'm going to try it and see. Just basically got my degree set. I'm going to start. And then as we work it, we'll just keep coming down. It's gonna be slow go, so we're just gonna keep doing that over and over until we get it. So we'll be back. I'm just basically stock removal right now.